Estimating the exact number of grains of sand in the Sahara Desert is a nearly impossible task. But we can make an approximation using some rough estimates. The Sahara Desert covers about 9.2 million square kilometers, 3.6 million square miles, Let's assume that the average depth of sand in the desert is about 150 meters, which varies in different parts of the desert, To estimate the volume of sand in the Sahara, we multiply its area by the average depth. Volume of sand equals 9.2 times 106 km 2 times 150 m equals 1.38 times 109 km 3 volume of sand equals 9.2 times 106 km 2 times 150 m equals 1.38 times 10. 9 km 3 Next, we estimate the number of grains of sand. A typical grain of sand is about 0.5 millimeters in diameter, and its volume can be approximated as a small sphere. Using the formula for the volume of a sphere 43 pi r334 pi r3, where r is the radius of a grain of sand, we can estimate the volume of 1 grain of sand. Equals 0.25 mm equals 0.00025 Mr equals 0. 25 mm equals 0.00025 m. The volume of 1 grain of sand is roughly. Volume of 1 grain equals 43 pi, 0.00025. 3 is almost equal to 6.54 times 10 minus 11 m3 volume of 1 grain equals 34 pi, 0.00025, 3 is almost equal to 6.54 times 10 minus 11 m3 Now, to estimate the total number of grains, we divide the total volume of sand in the Sahara by the volume of 1 grain of sand. Number of grains equals 1.38 times 109 km 3 times 109 m3 slash km 36.54 times 10 minus 11 m3 slash grain is almost equal to 2.11 times 10 18 grains. Number of grains equals 6.54 times 10 minus 11 m3 slash grain 1.38 times 109 km 3 times 109 m3 slash km 3 is almost equal to 2.11 times 10 18 grains. So there are approximately 1 quintillion grains of sand in the Sahara Desert. Of course, this is a very rough estimate, as the actual number depends on many factors like the grain size variation, depth of sand in different parts, and more.